It's 7:03 in the morning. The temperature outside is about 20 degrees, and my motivation to get started with the day is zero. Hi, you guys. My day started with my school sending in answer scripts and report cards of our recently held exams. I mean, bro, who does that? Are you not human? You wake up to this nice hazy morning and then you receive your awful marks card. I mean, dude, this is such a bummer. Like, I can already see where this day is going. And by now, I'm 200% sure my school has taken the responsibility of not letting children live their lives peacefully. And now I have online classes starting in about 10 minutes for 5 hours straight. And all they're going to do today is discuss those papers and make us cry. Okay, update time. It's 12 in the noon. Almost done with classes. It's just this last class. I mean, this teacher extends every day. She takes classes every day and still complains about not being able to complete the syllabus on time. I don't know what they want from us to like. I'm kind of glad this year is coming to an end. I mean, the academic year is coming to an end, and I'll finally be done with high school. And now I'm just gonna go watch TV because those two awful math textbooks by the edge of my table are not appealing at all. Oh, and also, if you haven't figured out what this was supposed to be a casual daily vlog. I also mentioned in my previous episode that I was about to do something nice. But you see where this is going, right? Like, this was supposed to be nice. And this is nowhere near being nice. I mean, obviously, I don't script any of my episodes, and this was supposed to be a vlog, and obviously, vlogs can't be scripted. So just bear with me. It's going to be fine. I hope, at least. And today is a Thursday. Honestly, I'm not really a big fan of Thursdays because, like, see, Fridays are nice because, like, the weekend's near. And then when the week starts, it goes like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then there's this Thursday in between. I mean, what good does it do to anybody? Those 24 hours in between, like, you grind yourself through half of the week. Grind yourself. Does that make sense? I mean, okay, let me rephrase it. You grind throughout the week, midweek, waiting for the weekend, and then there's this Thursday in between. And by now, you know I hate Thursdays. Also, another cool thing tomorrow is Friday the 13th. Honestly, I'm not very convinced with Friday the 13th theories of it being unlucky or whatever. But there was this thing that happened when I was in grade 4 or 5. I don't remember it distinctly. But yeah, so this it was Friday the 13th back then also. So my friends and I, we were sitting on the terrace. Like there was nobody else. It was just us group of 4 or 5 people. Yeah, we were like what, 9 to 10 year olds. So we were playing, chatting, doing whatever, and then we heard these random voices from the terrace. I mean, I'm pretty sure it was from the terrace because like you obviously know which direction the voice is coming from. So we ran, like we heard those voices, we ran downstairs, we went to this friend of ours house, and out of everything on earth, we looked up on the internet random voices coming from the terrace. And that day, since it was also Friday the 13th, we came across this article of it being unlucky or being whatever. Like, we were fourth graders then. Bro, let me tell you, that was mad. It was, I don't know what we were thinking. Like, when we read the article, I can tell you we went numb. I mean, not that we were brave or anything, but like, I don't know. And honestly, I don't even know why I'm telling this to you guys now. It's quite silly if you think about it, comparing it to this year. It's very silly. I mean, this year, there's nothing scarier than 2020. So, yeah. And yeah, that was my day, like half of my day, with the small story time, which I think I'll just keep for the record. And yeah, honestly, I don't think there's anything productive I've done today. There's nothing I've learned today. And somehow I'm pulling myself through today, like through this week, is because tomorrow's Friday, weekend's near, festive season is near. So yeah. And yeah, and also since I'm almost running out of charge on my phone, I'll just end this right here. So yeah, that was my vlog. I mean, I took you through my day, awful day, I'd rather say. But yeah, obviously the only motivation is the weekend. And yeah, I think I'll conclude it here. Oh, also, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. You can now send me voice messages. I mean, there's a link in the description of this episode and of all the previous episodes as well. So you can send me voice messages, obviously, if you want to, through the link. And yeah, bye. Oh, one last thing which you may or may not need to know. I made this episode so that I can laugh it off later. Honestly, yeah. So, yeah.